When was your gut feeling actually right? I ignored the weird feeling I had about my daughter's new soccer coach for months. Everyone thought he was amazing. Coaching certificates on display, always on time, and genuinely seemed to improve the kids' skills. But something felt off about how he'd invite certain girls to stay after practice for technique refinement. Nothing explicitly wrong, just uncomfortable. Coach Mike joined our club after the previous coach relocated. Parents were impressed by his experience coaching competitive youth leagues in another state. He wasn't flashy, just competent and professional, which made him seem trustworthy. He started offering extra training sessions after regular practice. Several parents were thrilled their daughters were selected for this attention, including my 13-year-old Alyssa. I made a point to stay and watch these sessions, sitting in my car at a distance. Mike would often glance toward the parking lot, and I noticed how the extra sessions got scheduled later as weeks passed. The other parents gradually stopped staying, busy with work, other kids, or trusting Mike completely. I kept waiting, despite Alyssa's embarrassment. Mom, nobody else's parents stay. It's weird. Last Saturday, Alyssa came home with a new pair of soccer cleats. Not absurdly expensive, but definitely not the kind we'd budgeted for. Where did you get those? I asked.